Hey guys, welcome back. And today I am going to review a very special watch from the house of international watch company IWC, a Swiss-made brand, a very premium brand. And this time the watch is a very special Top Gun commemorative automatic watch, automatic pilot's watch instead. A really good design, a really cool design from the house of IWC, and really tactical and an excellent field watch as well as an excellent pilot's watch. So let's go ahead with the review. The watch featured here has the reference number of IW326901. It has been marked as Top Gun automatic. So Top Gun, as you know, is a 1986 hit Tom Cruise starred movie. Referring to the US fighters strike group program. And that was really something that Top Gun institute where the fighter pilots were trained belonging to the US Navy. And Tom Cruise has acted really well in that, and I'm really happy to say that the Top Gun 2 is also coming in some months. I think mostly in early 2022. So that will be really good to have a look at. So let's go to the watch review itself. The watch is totally made of a very hard ceramic, a very hard monolithic ceramic that gives this watch a really, tough and robust kind of nature, a really tough fit, feel and finish, and very smooth kind of ceramic. So the case here is a 41 mm dia ceramic, black ceramic, and the case thickness is 11.4 mm. The watch has a screw down type of crown protection for 6 bar of 60 meter of moisture ingress protection here. So if you see that if you unscrew the crown comes off, and if you want to change the date changes as such. If you want to change the time changes, as well as the movement hacks here. It's really cool. So I will just go back and put down the crown back to the case. Done. So that is really something. So let me tell you about the watch features itself. The watch heavily borrows from, or it is heavily inspired from, the vintage Mark 11 watch issued to the Royal Air Force pilots back in the 1940s, I think. So this is really cool, really legible, and very premium watch from the house of IWC. So let's go to the movement of the watch. Now this time the IWC has taken a huge stride, from their premium Sellita movement, and they have now IWC manufacture in-house 32110 caliber movement in this Top Gun automatic watch. So this has the automatic movement that is self-winding as well as it is manual winding. I can go ahead and manually wind after I unscrew the crown. The movement has 72 hours of power reserve, and it has 4 Hz of frequency, that is 28,800 vibrations per hour. The movement in total has 164 components, and that has been suspended over 21 joules. So this is a 21 joules automatic movement, and as you have already seen when I was setting the time, that the movement hacks, or the second hand setting is there. The second hand stops when we adjust the time. So a precision setting of second hand is also possible here. Though I cannot see the movement inside, but the photo of the movement definitely suggests that the movement is decorated with perlage and Coutts de Genève. So that is quite movement finishing that this particular movement has got. The case back is really exceptional. As you know, it has the Top Gun logo from the 1986 movie. That looks really cool. A really well made, well etched logo here. Very nice fit, feel and finish of the case back. It's mentioned here pilot's watch Top Gun 6190815, and it has been mentioned here 6 bar water ingress resistance and IWC. And if you can see the lugs here, it is a screw down type of crown with the the lugs attached here. So this is really good. So let's go ahead and take out the watch. So usually the watch comes with a original canvas strap, but I have taken it off, and now the watch is in a very good quality premium nylon natto, as I have put it, just to complement the dial and the color of the Top Gun here. So I will go ahead and put it in, and it really looks well here. This is really good. So I will just go ahead, put the strap back, and I will go ahead further in the review. Now the inner case on this watch has been made using soft iron, so that gives a really good magnetic protection for this watch from the higher altitude magnetic disturbances and all those kind of thing, or any sort of magnetism emerging from any flight instruments or anything like that. So that is a really cool feature, soft iron casing for magnetic protection. It has a date window, a really simple date window at 3 o'clock. I think the window cut is stepped here. If you look closely, the window cuts are really stepped. So that's really good. The glass is a convex sapphire glass with a really good anti-reflective coating to give it an improved legibility. And the glass is also secured against the air pressure drop outside the watch case. So for the pressure of 60 meter from top, it is protected, as well as the glass is also protected for the air drop outside the case. It means the pressure inside the case is more than the pressure outside, so it may simply pop off in ordinary watches, but not in this. So the dial is matte black here, and if we go to the lug here, it is a standard lug of 20 mm, so you can slip in any NATO, any canvas strap or anything. Any watch strap looks cool with this watch, because this watch is a kind of a strap monster. So I have put on a Halston A2 Sabre NATO strap, as well as this off the shelf ordinary NATO, and it equally looks really cool in this. The price point on this watch is around 5,600 USD, which is a tad higher compared to the other IWC Pilot ranges, just because of the black monolithic fully ceramic case, because this is something that brings in the premium, and a really good anti-reflective sapphire crystal, and as well as I think that due to the fact that it is a Top Gun commemorative. But nonetheless, this watch may be a slight pricier, but once you guys purchase this is a really satisfactory watch, a really good watch, not too big, not too small, and this is something that really goes with any other outfits as well. So I will simply put this watch on the wrist, and I will show you how it looks. So have a little bit of patience, because I am not much of a video editor. So here it goes. So I have an average wrist, and this watch really fits well on my wrist. So take a good look on the watch itself. It really looks good from all the dimensions, all the angles. So thank you for watching the video. This was the IWC 326901 Top Gun Automatic Pilot's watch. So stay tuned to the channel, more reviews are coming. Have a good one.